I'm about to make breakfast.
Like my man Yao, will I use a fork? But never ever ever am I eating fucking pork.
Cause you can,
You won't, and you don't stop.
oh, cause you can,
You won't, and you don't stop.
oh, cause you can.
You won't, and you don't stop.
Mike D, come and rock for sure, Shaq.
I got the brand new dude, you guaranteed like you. I'm on like Dr. John, yeah, Mr. Silly. I'm a newlywed, I'm not a divorcee. And everything I do is funky like Lee Dorsey. Well, it's the taking of the bellum, 1, 2, 3. If you wanna do the rhyme, then come see me. I got the savoir-faire with the unique rhyming. I keep it on and on, it's never quitting timing.
Now I'm going to salt. I'm going to put a good amount of salt on there. And let them sit for a minute. And the idea is the salt is going to draw more moisture out of this. And I'm going to get some of these cherry tomatoes. And yeah, I guess I'm going to have some cherry tomatoes with my breakfast.
Listen everybody, cause I'm shifting gears, I'm fresh like doggy when I get my specs in. On the microphone, I come correct.
Timing like a clock when I rock the hip-hop. A top notch is my stock in the soapbox. I got more rhymes than I got gray hairs. And that's a lot because it got me share.
I got a hole in my head and there's no one to fix it. Gotta straighten my thoughts.
And normally I would put some basil in here too, and it's just like a nice little tomato salad. But I just used up all my fresh basil on a marinara sauce I made the other night.
Never quitting, so won't you listen?
Because you can,
You won't and you don't stop.
because you can,
You won't and you don't stop.
oh, when you can.
You won't and you don't stop.
It's the A, come and rock for sure, Shaq.
I wanna say a little something that's long overdue. The disrespect to women has got to be due. To all the mothers and the sisters and the wives and friends, I wanna offer my love.
Now normally I would be sauteing these potatoes, frying these potatoes with some rosemary, fresh rosemary. I used up all my, actually I didn't use up all my rosemary. I let my rosemary go bad, which I always do. Neat Ziploc, I actually got that for me. So what I do when my rosemary dries out, because I'm just not a good gardener, this is my little, I like to put just some mint that, you know, there's still some good mint on there, and some parsley. I usually have basil and rosemary as well, but then my rosemary always dries out. I either overwater it or don't water it enough. Seems no matter how much water I put in there, eventually it just sort of dries out. So I keep it though, right? Because then I throw this on the grill when I'm grilling a steak. I get that nice kiss of rosemary on my steak.
It's a miracle, a true blue spectacle, a miracle come true. When together, baby, I was going crazy till the miracle came through. Now you're here and my arms are around you, and baby, love it dancing here.
Now, one of the best combos to me in the world is potatoes with egg yolk. Right? You want to get that over easy or sunny side up egg with the soft yolk. So this is scary because I'm always afraid of breaking the yolk. And I'm going to one-hand it, so the chances are even greater of breaking the yolk. I need that yolk. Okay, yolk is intact. Alright. I want to crack these eggs one at a time to make sure that they're good. So if I crack both eggs into the same thing, one egg's bad, the other one's ruined, right? Now we got 2 eggs. Yolk's intact. Potatoes are coming along. You can see they're starting to get some color on them. And they're a little bit smaller than they were when I first started. I think that I want to taste one. I want to see how done it is. You see the fork goes through it pretty easily. Hot. Hot. Cheese. I think it needs a little more salt. I think those potatoes are enough along that I can start. I can do my eggs. This is the fun thing. I like to do fried eggs. So, high heat, olive oil. I'm not shy with the olive oil when I fry my eggs. Now, if I'm in a restaurant, I'm in a diner or something, I'm going to order my eggs over easy. I don't trust my over easy skills. It seems like a magic trick I haven't really figured out. The risk of bursting that egg yolk. And also, that's all I really care about. I probably would order it sunny side up in restaurants if I thought they were going to fry them the way I like, which they don't do, usually, ever. As I said, I like my eggs fried over high heat, and I like my whites to be crispy when I hear that sizzle. Yeah. High heat. That's the way to go. Salt, pepper, and this is chili powder. I like to grind my chilies. Have fresh chili powder on hand. So I just basically, I buy these guys. This was the Arbol. Arbol? I'm not pronouncing that right. Those are the hot ones.
Too hot for talking. It's hot tonight.
That's the thing to do, I guess, is to baste your eggs. To get those whites cooked. And the other important thing is to fish spatula. I want to get off that pan. Don't want it to stick. Alright, so I can turn the heat off. Those are pretty much cooked. Some of the whites could be a little more done, but I'll just, the pan's plenty hot. I'll just let the pan finish its work. These potatoes are good to go. So now I'm going to turn it off, and I'm going to plate.
Makes me all hazy.
That yolk going. See how the white is crispy. The potatoes are soft in the middle, crispy on the edge. With the yolk and the crispy white. Sometimes I like to have ketchup on my potatoes. But when you got those soft yolks, you don't even need any of the condiment. Plus you got the olive oil and the tomato. I don't know why I blew up on my tomato. The tomato is not hot. Mmm. Yeah, I got a bite with the yolk and the tomato. Oh, that's a good bite. Mmm.